Hello guys, welcome back to SAS Junction. In this video, we'll see how we can write the perfect and the best Quora answer with the help of ChatGPT and the super powerful AIPRM for ChatGPT Chrome extension. If you are someone new to this channel, please hit the subscribe button. We make amazing SAS videos every time. So let's get started with the perfect Quora answer. So we will be using the AIPRM Chrome extension for ChatGPT, which is super powerful for SEO, copywriting, Quora answers, YouTube, etc. We have already made an introductory video for the AIPRM Chrome extension. The video is in the I button. So for writing a Quora answer, search for Quora. And below you can paste the Quora questions. So first you will see why SEO is important for your website. So you can delete the first line. So you can see ChatGPT is generating the perfect Quora answer, which will help you write the perfect answer and grow your Quora audience. You guys already know how perfect ChatGPT output is. So let's see another Quora answer. This time we'll see how we can improve up website speed. So the ChatGPT is generating the Quora answer. AIPRM is basically ChatGPT on steroids. It is super powerful Chrome extension and there are hundreds of prompts which you can use. HTTP requests, CSS, inline CSS, CDN are some of the important aspects for page speed. Let's try one more question. Will ChatGPT replace programmers? This is an interesting question. Let's try this. Quora answer. Page the question. ChatGPT is generating the answer. So you can see how you can boost the Quora game with the AIPRM extension for ChatGPT, and ChatGPT is super powerful for any content writing. So this was the video guys. You have seen how ChatGPT along with AIPRM Chrome extension is super powerful for any copy. If you have liked this video, do hit like. Please subscribe to SAS Junction. Thank you for watching guys. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.